Hi, it's Jessica.
And I'm Jeremy.
And we're standing here at the beach where the stars come out to play in Festival de Cannes.
But this week we're interested in a different kind of stars. Stars who are almost as beautiful. I'm talking about the key partners in business world of virtualization.
Also today, VMware CTO Steve Harrod gives his address.
We catch up with Scott Harold from Visioncore.
And of course, haute couture. What will the smart people be wearing this year on the beach?
This is the famous Palette Festival in Cannes, where the stars come out and play during the Cannes Film Festival. This week, however, the famous names in virtualization also come from around the globe and make sure that VMworld is truly an industry-wide event. So let me show you.
My name's Craig Nunes and I am VP of Marketing with 3PAR.
Hi, I'm John Riemann. I'm the CEO of VM Informer.
Hi, my name is Stuart Robinson from Teradici Corporation.
Hi, I'm Doug Hazelman from Beam Software.
My name is Jason Yuan. I'm with McAfee.
The big news today is that we've announced our VExperts. It recognizes their extensive knowledge on virtualization. And of course, the full list will be published on the community website. Talking to a VExpert actually, Jason, how do you become a VExpert?
Basically, I commit a lot of my outside time to assisting VMware, spreading the word of VMware in the streets and in the communities. I call it evangelism, which is how I kind of came up with my blog site, VMware Virtualization Evangelist.
Stephen Harrod is VMware's CTO, and his address was a key feature of today's event. He demonstrated the mobile virtualization platform. He also talked about the vCloud plugin, and of course he introduced the new virtual appliance for vCenter.
Hi, good morning. Yesterday, Paul presented a pretty aggressive vision for how we plan to transform IT from the data center to the client and into the cloud. And today the goal is to really back that up with specific features and a set of demos that I think you'll enjoy that really show how we're going to make it true in 2009 and beyond. It's been a great conference here in France. This morning I showed some great things about performance. We showed database scores that were just incredible, where we had more than 8 processors running together and really nailing online transaction processing. But what's more interesting in a performance standpoint has been our view of how we use multi-core technologies. And just recently we announced a record score for SpecWeb 2005, which is a measure of how you do web server performance. We trounced all physical deployments of the SpecWeb scores.
The keynote today was actually very interesting for me.
Because this one was in depth in what VMware is going to do in the next couple of years. So I thought it was really, really interesting.
One of the things I really liked about this morning's keynote was Steve Harrod's complete overview of all the various aspects that are hitting virtualization, all the way from desktop, cloud, servers. It's amazing to see all these things come together.
Hi, we're here in Cannes. We decided to take a little bit of advantage of the beautiful weather over here. I'm here with Scott Harold from Visioncore, and they have a new initiative that they want to talk about.
Yeah, I'm starting a new initiative called the Virtualization EcoShell Initiative, or the VESI for short, which is designed to help organizations adopt PowerShell-based technologies for managing their virtual infrastructure through automation.
You can see the entire interview on this website, VMworld.com.
France is the height of style, and this week we're making our own contribution. The VMware Shop is open for business, but if you cannot make it here to update your wardrobe, obviously you can shop online.
And that's all we have for today. But don't forget, there's much, much more to see on this website.
And we'll be back tomorrow. Au revoir.